Well, welcome back to another Dynodaze video. As you can see, there's a great big Honda badge on the front of this EP3 Civic, which is pretty unique. I've not seen that before. Today we are mapping on a K100 ECU, one of Richard's favourites. So we shall get her strapped down, give her a pull on the dyno, see where we're at, and then we'll start tuning. So, here we go. Honda Civic EP3. As you well know, the most important thing about Honda ownership is making sure you've got some oil in there. If you need oil, go to our sponsor, worldoflubricant.co.uk. There, in the checkout, you can use code DYNO, D-Y-N-O. That's going to save you a load of money. They've got a great website, loads of stuff on there, loads of good oils, also additives. So go and fill your boots, save some money, and we'll see you down the road. Another EP3 in the bag, my friend.
Yeah, it is another EP3 in the bag, yeah.
Came in today with a K100.
Well, it came in on its stock ECU, to be fair, but he had a K100 to go into it.
Okay, cool.
So we ran the car in stock form. Well, not stock form, but obviously with his modifications with the stock ECU. Obviously then took the K100, put a K-Pro board in it, started tuning. That's basically what you have to do with a K100, which is why I hate them particularly so much.
Do you not like them?
No, I don't like them.
Why don't you say that more often?
I do. I tell everybody I hate them. I tell everybody they're banned and don't bother booking in, but they still turn up.
I'm going to take responsibility for that.
Yeah. Yeah, so obviously you have to take it out, put the K-Pro board in, then obviously 9 out of 10 times no one's ever cut the case, so you got to start cutting cases, obviously then do it, map it on the K-Pro, remove the K-Pro, well, write it for a K100 in the software, then basically swap it over, and then put it all back again, whilst Dan just stands there watching me do it all.
I didn't spend 3 years at Evil College to start cutting into bits of metal.
Yeah, Dan doesn't do anything that involves manual labour.
If I get dirty hands, I fell over.
Yeah, that's right. or down the stairs, which wasn't funny at all.
No, that actually hurt. That was a while ago now, wasn't it? I only fell down 3 steps as well.
It's funny when you hear someone at the bottom of the stairs going,
Yeah, I think I winded myself more than scuffed myself up. But it was nice. It was
I didn't
an
laugh
experience.
at all.
It was an experience. What, like when you shut that boot lid on your head?
Yeah, you didn't laugh then either.
No, I nearly passed out.
Yeah, you nearly passed out.
Ambulance.
Yeah.
Dad, just have a look at this. I've hit my head. Yeah, I heard you hit your head. Let's have a look. Ambulance.
His legs went weak and everything.
It was a wobbly moment. I was just like, stop doing that.
Yeah. Anyway, back to this car.
And if you're watching, Dad, we do have a health and safety policy in place.
Yeah, so got some good modifications on this car, to be fair. 4-to-1, Tegiwa 70mm. It's got an RRC, which is a good manifold on an FN2. I don't think it's so good on an EP3. But, okay, fair enough.
Well, there are better.
Okay, they're better than the stock one.
Yeah,
is what we're saying.
And I really like the Skunk2 Ultra Series, though.
Yeah, Skunk2 Ultra Series is what we recommend for these, but you can't get them at the moment, so...
Yeah, Skunk2, if you're watching.
Yeah, what is going on?
Start making some stuff, will ya?
Yeah, well, it's probably not about that, is it? It's probably about actually getting it into the country.
I never thought about that.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe. But yeah, so it's got a Tegiwa leaf eater on it, hasn't it?
It has. I think to be honest, I'll be honest, I think the inlet manifold and the induction kit on this car are the two that have let it down from making the sort of 240 that you generally make with an inlet manifold. But we've had that conversation with the customer. He says he's going to have a look, see if he can find a second-hand one and swap it out and then come back and see us.
It was 33 degrees in the dyno cell today.
Yeah,
I'm actually feeling pretty warm in here.
It's about 40 in this car, I think.
Yeah, I am starting to become damp.
Yeah. Right, well, let's get out of here then. Shall we look at that graph?
Please. Yes, please.
Well, say it with me, guys. Red line is as she came in, blue line is as she leaves. A whopping 50 brake horsepower at 6,000 RPM. And we finish on 230 brake horsepower. That's just shy of 200 at the wheels. Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. And we will catch you on the next one, won't we, Richard? We will indeed.
Ready to elevate your ride? Dynodaze Performance Parts has you covered. From exhaust to ECU remaps, we offer top-tier parts for peak performance. Our experts provide personalized tuning to match your driving style. Join our community of enthusiasts. Join thousands who trust Dynodaze for their performance needs. Visit DynodazePerformanceParts.com and transform your drive today.